The PFP-10 home mechanic floor pump is the perfect pump to keep your tires inflated. The hose provides good reach, allowing for quick and convenient setup, while the pump's base includes extra-large foot pads and a giant, easy-to-read gauge that make the PFP-10 accessible and easy to use for any mechanic. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, the locking universal head offers versatility with no need to switch internal parts. Working at home, in the shop, or at the trailhead, the PFP-10 will keep you riding. The PFP-10 home mechanic floor pump from Park Tool.